Hi guys, what's up? Hope you're doing great. Today, I'm gonna talk about WhatsApp. Yes, you heard it. In WhatsApp, we often come across some cool and tempting WhatsApp statuses in our friends' WhatsApp walls, and you really want to have them, but you won't feel comfortable asking them. Why do you want to ask them when you can download it from your device itself? Sometimes people go to Play Store and they install some unnecessary apps to download it. You don't have to do that. Here I'm going to show you how to have these statuses without having installed some apps and without even asking your friends. Okay, so let's go and click WhatsApp, go to status and choose any of the statuses you want. Okay, this one. Okay, this is quite cool. Very tranquil and soothing video. And this is how you sometimes feel, right? I must save this one. Okay. So go and jump into my files. Okay. Oh, I jumped in the wrong place. Go back, go to my files and the internal storage and WhatsApp folder. Go to media and there is a drop down menu. Click that and go to settings and you have to activate show hidden files and then go to statuses. There is your video. Okay, this is what you want to save, right? Okay, select that one and then move internal storage again. There you have to create a folder. Okay, let's name it WhatsApp status video. Okay, create it. It has been moved. Okay, then okay, let's go back and check it. Okay, go to gallery. All right, it's there you go. Super simple, right? All right. And now if you want to have a quick reach to this status video folder, you can create a shortcut in the home screen. And here I'm gonna show you how it's done. Let's go back to the same folder all over again. WhatsApp and the media and statuses. Click the status, select it, drop down menu, add to shortcut, click add to shortcut and go back to the home screen. There you go. You can keep this folder here a click away. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe my channel.